From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Ryan McElligott here with your Campus Weather Service morning forecast. Starting off with our live look at Beaver Stadium right now. Looking at pretty chilly and windy day right now. Got temperatures at 25, feels like 13, dew point 10 degrees. Visibility 10 miles an hour, relatively clear but very chilly and very breezy with that west wind of 14 miles an hour. As for our temperatures and dew points around the Commonwealth, we're looking at around the 20 to 30 range, and then dew points very dry today. It's very crisp. Story's about the same for pretty much everywhere. If we see, it's a little warmer by the coast, but pretty uniform at the moment. Wind speeds are also of note today. We got some breezy winds at the moment. It's perhaps a little lower than we'll see later, in about the 10 to 15 range, but that will increase as the day goes on into the 30s in some places. So very gusty today. You might have to brace yourself against the wind if you're out walking. This will die down, of course, as we get into the evening and overnight, and then, of course, raise back up as we get into Friday, but a little lower by then, in about the 20s. As we get into Saturday, of course, this will completely die down. Won't be quite of note as we get into the weekend. A little live look of our radar and satellite right now. We are seeing some lake effect snow, actually, as this moves off the Great Lakes, that northwest flow. We'll see that die down throughout the day, however, as we see with our future radar and satellite. These clouds will move out, these showers will dissipate. It'll be pretty clear throughout the day and into the evening. As we get into Friday, though, we will see some clouds build back up for our next system, which will bring some precipitation, perhaps some rain and snow to the southern parts of the state, and then into Saturday for the rest of the Commonwealth. We'll see that moving in Friday evening and overnight. Of note is our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. If you're looking for some good weather over spring break in the East Coast, you got it right here. Very, very warm in the Northeast, a little cooler out west if that's where you're headed. But generally speaking, if anything's outdoors, it'll be pretty pleasant. Of course, for winter lovers, you're out of luck. So for our forecast for today, we're going to be looking at some of the snow showers as we mentioned, also high at 36. And those gusty winds up into the 20s and perhaps the 30s. For tonight, clear and chilly. It's business as usual for tonight. Low of 23. And some later winds out of the southwest. As for tomorrow, we'll be looking a little warmer, sunny, just still breezy once again, but a little more pleasant than today with those chilly temperatures that will again raise up. As for our 7-day forecast here, we have that relatively dry pattern into Friday night. Then by Saturday, we'll see some rain move in once again. That'll just be a one-day thing. After that, spring will once again return. We'll see highs into the 60s along with partly cloudy skies through Sunday and Monday. That'll be very pleasant for anyone who is still here. As we get into Tuesday, once again, we'll be seeing some precip into Wednesday, actually. So looking at a bit of a wetter pattern as the week goes on. Relatively speaking, though, we have a few good days coming up as well as a few more bleak days, but hopefully we won't be here as we have spring break coming up, so it's something to look forward to. That's all I have today. So with that, thank you for watching. Have a great day.